There might be some issues. There might be some issues here and there. Okay, but we thank God for this opportunity to be here together. I'm still waiting for everything to settle down so that we can do our lesson together. If you are listening to me, kindly shout up there, shout up there, shout up there. Karibuni sana. Yes, karibuni sana, karibuni. I'm connecting again. I'm waiting it to stabilize. I'm waiting for this thing to stabilize. Okay, if you are here, you are live, just say hi. Karibuni sana, all of you. Welcome, 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 welcome. Those who are willing to be with me today, welcome. Karibu sana, karibu sana, karibu sana, karibu sana. May God bless you as you watch this lesson. Welcome, karibu sana, karibu sana. And I'm hoping that we are going to be able to stream from the beginning up to the end. Okay, yes, that's what I'm hoping. So I hope that now everything has there. Yes, and may God bless you for choosing to learn Kikuyu with me, Teacher Martin. May God bless you so much for accepting me to be your teacher in this Kikuyu lesson. We are going to start our lesson in the 5th minute, and may God bless you as you watch this lesson as we learn the Kikuyu language together. I always remind you that Kikuyu language is not complicated. It just needs your dedication, your time, and by doing that you are going to learn a lot about this great wonderful language that is spoken across the world, but greatly in Central Province. So today we are going to look into home conversation and understanding basic home vocabulary. And so we have our first thing here. I don't know whether it has loaded on your side. I hope you have it also. So this is the table that you can use to remind yourself of some of the vocabulary to use at home. So the first vocabulary that we have today is koruga, 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 koruga. So what koruga means, it means to cook. The other vocabulary that we have is gokaraga, 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 which means to fry. Okay, the other one that we have is gotherokia, gotherokia, which means to boil. The other one that we have is kohiohia, kohiohia, kohiohia. So I'm going to the next page. So I'm going to the next page. So I don't know whether this has loaded on your head. Yes, in our next page we have some vocabulary. One of them is komeria, komeria, which means to do what? To swallow, to swallow. Gotaheka, which means to vomit. Gotaheka, gotaheka, to vomit. The other one that we have is gochama, gochama, which means to taste. The other one that we have is kohoria, kohoria, which means to switch off. The other one that we have is current stream. So the current stream is loading for the next page, whereby we are going to get some examples. Okay, we are going to get some examples. Okay, so I'm waiting for that page to load on your end. Yes, so we have some examples here. So the question is, this is a pictorial learning. Aya mareka ate. ayale mareka atya. What are these people doing? The first one is doing what? In Kikuyu, Korea. Korea. The second one is kunywa, drinking. Korea, eating, drinking. Maybe clear on your side. I hope you are running something. Kindly leave your comment. Kindly leave your comment. So the first person, they are doing what? Cooking. Koruga. Koruga. The second person, they are frying. That is Wokaraga. Wokaranga. The third person is doing what to the door? Opening the door. Opening the door is Kohigora. 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 You get it? Kohigora. Now we go to the next example here. The first person is doing what? Switching off. Kohoria. Kohoria. The second person want to switch on. Goakia. Goakia. Yes, I hope that you are understanding these things and that you are running something from this live stream. Okay, so let us wait for the next one to come on. So the first person is testing. Testing is Woshama. 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 The boy is doing what? Vomiting. Vomiting. Wotaheka. 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 And the next person, what are they doing? They are washing their hands. To wash your hands is Wedaba Moko. Wedaba Moko. Wedaba Moko. We are doing good. We continue to the next one. We continue to the next one. We continue to the next one. I want us to go to our next one. Some actions, some verbs, some verbs. So I don't know whether the video has come on to your side. I don't know whether the video has come on to your side. So kohura, why? Kohiga, cross. Uderukia, boil. Okay. So the second part has loaded. Sit down. How do you say that in Kikuyu? Ikarade. 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 The other person, stand up. Rogama. Rogama. Jump. Roga. Roga. Jump. Roga. The next one. We are looking forward to the next one. The next one seems to be taking a lot of time to come on. But the other one that we have is abata. Abata. Go up. Abata. Go up. Abata. Go up. Inama. Bed. Inama. Bed. Inama. Bed. The other one that we have is